I'm Marissa, and that's Nick. We're high school sweethearts who love to travel. We're also professional photographers and videographers based out of Massachusetts, specializing in weddings and music videos. After being in lockdown for over a year because of the 2020 pandemic, we are so ready to get out of the house and see some new and familiar places. Welcome to I Just Want to Travel.
Washing is right there. Take a wash.
I need a wash.
Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. Today is a cool day because we're doing a costume party with my friend, and it's just a girls' party, and we're gonna have food and play games and do a little photo shoot. We're all dressing up as Disney princesses, so I need to get dressed. Let's get dressed. Here it is. I am Belle. Hey, Slim. What do you guys think? I bought this last year and couldn't do anything with it besides make a TikTok, and now I get to wear it to a party. I'm just letting you know the rules to this Monopoly. I'm gonna leave that in here. What'd you say? I was starting the vlog and Hillary said, I'm just gonna let you know the rules of this Monopoly. Hi guys, I am at Hillary's house. I just wanted to show you the cuteness of this woman's party because it is so cute, but I also really want to show you who we are, but I'm gonna wait a little bit to do that because we're gonna do a full-on photo shoot. Obviously you guys know I'm Belle. I'll give you a little sneak peek of Kylan and then Hillary back there. They're so cute. Anyways, I want to show you the spread. Look at this. We got everything. Nacho dip, that dip, cupcakes, cute, cute, cute. And then we're playing a game later. That's gonna be so fun. And of course she has these cute little buckets.
Good enough.
Two.
Oh, you almost went in jail.
Almost.
Auntie, you almost went in jail.
Oh my gosh.
Jail's right here. 2, 3, 4, 5.
We're just visiting.
Jail.
Kylan's holding on. You did really good. I think I won this game though, guys. What does it say? Wait, what does it say? I want to see. There is nothing more villainous than wickedly.
That's good.
Oh, she don't got money. I won. All right, that's what I got, guys.
What's your dip?
Almost all the properties. She only had that many, and I had all of these and all that money.
What's in your spinach dip, Kyla?
Photos, okay?
Okay.
We do different things.
Yeah, we can. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't. We'll go forward or back, just side to side and looking at each other. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Looking at each other. Okay. Let's see what that did.
I don't know what I do.
I didn't either.
Is it blinking?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Or scary.
That was more like a prostitute photo.
Is it beeping?
Yep. Oh, it's going!
I'm gonna hold it around. Okay, is it taking the photos?
Woo!
Okay.
Hold it. Hold it.
Hold it! Come here.
All right. Ready to go.
Okay. I hope we got something. We did it. What a successful shoot, you guys.
It sure was.
Oh my god.
Nailed it.
Such a beautiful night. You guys look so good. Like, you look so good. You look so good. Like, I'm telling her she should probably dye her hair blonde because, like, I can't get over how
And cut it like this.
amazingly
like this.
cute. Like, that's Hillary, guys. Look at her. Oh, I can't wait to share some of these photos. If you guys follow me at all, you know I'm a photographer. So Marissa Caroline Photography on Instagram, check it out. I might put in like the stories, or I might put it up on I Just Want to Travel, who knows, but follow us there, or me there, or Nick. It's Nick and I, it's us. This vlog is just me. I'm just blabbing. It was a beautiful sunset tonight. Great party hill. That was fun.
Yeah.
We're gonna go back to reality now. It's also really cold.
Next time on I Just Want to Travel.
We're in Boston Commons. We're gonna film and photograph a proposal. We have a wedding in Boston as well tomorrow.